Hey, and welcome to Borsellino Carpentry. So I made it to my goal of 100 subscribers and 5,000 views. Thank you so much, everybody who subscribed and who watched any of my videos. So because I hit 100 subscribers, YouTube let me have a custom URL. So now my new channel is youtube.com/c/Borsellino Carpentry. I'll put it right there. So again, I'm super grateful for everybody who watched. I've done a lot of these videos with very limited resources. I've been using my phone to record and upgrading my equipment as I realistically need it. Started with a little mic, and then I upgraded to a better tripod thing, and then I've got this microphone on top of the phone. And I said when I got to 100 subscribers, I was going to invest a little bit more money once I saw if people were going to actually watch this stuff. So my plan is now to buy a wireless mic system. I've been looking them up online. They're not super expensive, but they're pretty expensive for something, for a hobby that I don't make any money on. So just please continue to watch my videos, and maybe someday this will make me something, but as for right now, it's not. Again, this is always just me trying to get my knowledge out to the world and help people so that they can do these types of projects on their own. Give people a little bit more confidence. So some other things that are going on. I just started a blog on my website. I'll put that also below, and right here, that is just borsellinocarpentry.com. So once again, I just want to thank everybody. So grateful for you for watching and subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. Ring that little bell so you get notifications of the new videos. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.